My name is Reena, and I work for a global company as manager, global talent acquisition, and I mainly manage project management for all HR related projects from anything to do with process improvement changes or any application integration and a lot of other things related to HR. And I also do reporting. So I was looking for something where I could enhance my knowledge in HR because I'm relatively new. I have overall like close to 20 years of experience, but less than 5 years in HR. So I wanted to understand in depth. If I have to work on reporting, I needed to understand how HR really works. So the course was really good, HR analytics, and I learned a lot of things, and I'm able to use it in my current job. So it's been an exciting journey, and I learned a lot. Thank you for the beautiful coursework and the videos, and definitely we'll look forward to doing more courses. For somebody who's not into in-depth HR, I think it opened my eyes and I was able to learn a lot of things which I wasn't exposed to while working. So it was good. So I'm able to, with the experience that I have, I was able to use this knowledge and build on it. So it's really helping me in my jobs, and I'm glad that I took up the course.